Hi YouTube, this is Jay McKillop. Well actually you can go on my page and see the video, modded the Nerf Recon CS6, and it's very complicated, but somehow it makes it go much faster and longer. I'm going to show you, because normally this gun would shoot maybe, I don't know, a couple of feet. This one shoots like 3 feet or 4 feet more. So I'm going to show you what it can do. It shoots much faster too. Now, a normal CS6 without the mod would probably go up to about, maybe here, give or take. But with the Nerf Recon CS6 mod, it goes all the way over there. So now remember, this mod is fun and it's awesome. But in all seriousness, you must be careful because it's a safety measure, and if it hits people, it can hurt pretty bad. So, peace out.